Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, another fire at Old Shoes Market in St. James. You can't believe this? Less than a year after shops at the Old Shoes Market in Montego Bay, St. James were gutted by fire, vendors are again picking up the pieces following another fire at the facility. Who are do these things, my wisdom warriors? Because right now, many things here people just a burn it done, so something alright about that place. Something alright. I wonder if they want that the place they feel build up where they want build up. Something alright. One time when I see certain fire go on, my wisdom warriors, you know where to look. You know where to look, my wisdom warriors. I can't imagine another fire at All Shows Market in St. James. And I just other day the place burned down. Just other day, the vendors they don't have money like that. Just imagine the vendors them out there trying, and just because people, say they want that the place there. Say they want that the place there. Go see what happen. Go see what happen. One of the affected vendors who spoke with Radio Jamaica News expressed distress, lamenting the condition of the market even before the fire. Mighty God of Daniel. Mighty God of Daniel. What is really going on? What is really going on, my wisdom warriors? Let's just wait and see what they're going to do with this place. Let's just wait and see what they're going to do with this place. If them are going to fix it up back again, or them are going to turn it into something else. Just watch and see, my wisdom warriors. Changes are coming to the building approval process in Kingston and St. Andrew amid complaints from residents that they are being excluded. Community groups have complained that some developments, commercial, industrial and residential around the city are in breach of building code regulations. So the mayor is out right now, and the mayor say they're definitely going to do something about this. KSAMC to make changes to building approval process. So the mayor definitely is looking into this, my wisdom warriors, because the people them in the community, the community groups, they have complained that some developments and commercial and industrial and residential around the city are in breach of building code regulation. So say Mayor Swaby is getting right on it. Listen, this mayor is working, Me see the labor right them, the supporters them, labor right supporters, me see them out I say how the mayor now work, and they're just spreading propaganda. I don't understand. What is that doing when you're out here lying on labor rights? What is that doing? When you're out here telling lies, I'll see them circulate Lisa Anna picture. And I say, oh, Lisa Anna leave. Lisa and everybody knows that Lisa Anna leave from 2022, but she's still in the cabinet. We all know that. You understand, my wisdom warriors? So I see the labor right there on TikTok yesterday, the day before yesterday, I spread propaganda and I mislead the people them as usual, and I make it look like say Lisa Anna just resign. And poor thing them, the people them in the comment section, they're like, yes, good, that will happen to them. See, PNP ship a sink, and I'm like, oh my God, these people, you can see so them are people here, them need help. Them need help, my wisdom warriors. Them are read without understanding, and they now go do their own research, and that go mess we up big time. And that go mess we up, my wisdom warriors. Because Lisa Anna did mention all that already from 2022. So we all know that. So when I see the labor right, true, because the PNP, them a put up Marshall Smith and stuff like that, and they burn them. Say I know the labor right, they not put up Marshall Smith. All know they not even put up Matthew Samuda. They not put up nothing. All them a say, oh, Andrew Holness have a plan for PNP. Andrew Holness can't have no plan for no PNP. We know Andrew Holness trick. We know Andrew Holness trick. We know exactly what he's doing. Andrew Holness is not a fair man. He's a selfish man. He is a selfish man, and he will go to the extent to do anything to stay in power just to keep we the Jamaican people in a captivity. And I want Uno Labour right now that, because Uno see one did come out during the pandemic crying and bawling out. Uno see what Andrew Holness implement, and it was the same very Mark Golding where Uno cuss about to go back to England. The same very Mark Golding stand up firmly. Make Andrew Holness have to change his mind. Uno, me say Andrew Holness I go teach on a lesson on a labor right. Uno, me tell you all the while, Uno think I joke me I make. Andrew Holness I go teach on a lesson. Uno will never forget. Andrew Holness and Juliet Holness is a type of person like this, my wisdom warriors. They will throw their own underneath the bus just to save themselves, just to save them face and let other people get humiliated just to save them face. And that them does with Marsha. And that them do with her. When you hear me, my wisdom warriors, I humiliate her. I talk about how she inexperienced and she not understand this and she not understand that. Them same one, the labor right, them attack that. You can imagine these people we go to any extent for stay control because they know say PNP have it in them. They know say PNP have it lack. That's why you see them do all this. Remember, say other day, Andrew Holness revamp in party. Remember, he do some changes twice. Who remember? When Mark Golding only do changes once, Andrew Holness do changes twice. The last one was not long ago. So how comes him do it again? Uno not say it's a strategy. Uno not say it is a strategy, Jamaica. It is a strategy. So me glad when me hear Mark Golding, Dayton Campbell say they nah contest. Then they have a dirty labor right. Them a go around and talk about how in PNP week. Uno not have no sense. Uno not have no sense. Uno make 100 bus fool. Uno not have no. That's what me know say. Uno not have no knowledge. Uno not have no wisdom. Uno just make Andrew Holness come on a trick. My wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness a test the waters. Wanna hear me? Andrew Holness is out here testing the waters. That's what he's doing. To see if he can go up against PNP and win. You understand? Yes. He know exactly what he's doing. And they know that's why they must start the rehabilitation program, you know, in the area them so they can go around now and buy out the election. And that them a do notice. Them a wait, them say October them a go start the rehabilitation. So what them plan is now them a go around and fix the road and buy. But let me tell you now, PNP, don't sell out. Don't sell out. Don't sell out. You understand? If you no mean on yourself well, if you no mean on the country well, you no do the right thing. But you see, me can't stop nobody from take no money because enough people no have it. Let me tell you now. But you no know what go depend them the money there. You no know if you no touch that the money there. You no hey, listen. You don't know if when you get that money, something happen to you. You hear me, my wisdom warriors? You hear me? But then again, if you don't want to take the money and vote them out, kindly do so. Because it is a trick. It is a strategy. It is a trick and it is a strategy, my wisdom warriors. So Andrew Holness ready for the election. We must start the Sparks program. Peter Bunting was right all along. Peter Bunting came out and Peter Bunting said the Sparks program is a trick. They want to use it and buy out election. Peter Bunting was right because now that them a do. Them a go fix the road now and then go round and buy out the election. But me no mind my wisdom warriors. PNP, if you not take the money and vote them out. Yes. Take the money and vote them out. Come in and know what kind of dirty style is that. I don't know what kind of dirty style is that. My wisdom warriors. The government will spend about 30 million for the September 30 by-election in Northeast St. Anne's. When I hear that, Andrew Holness take taxpayer money and spend 30 million. Why not just call the election? Why not just call the election, my wisdom warriors? I tell you no. Why I'm just not call the general election and done? This is just a waste of money. Yes, sister, they have money. Yes, sister, they have money. This can buy ambulance, you know. This can buy equipment, you know. This can help the Jamaican people, you know. This can build houses for the people, them, you know. That's why I try to show you. So Andrew Holness now, I go spend 30 million. 30 million per Northeast St. Anne's. And then you want to come cut. Sure about up there, you know. And then you want PNP for contest. Why should PNP contest, my wisdom warriors? PNP has been waiting for Trelawney. I hear now, Trelawney don't have a representative. I hear now, Andrew Holness bypass that and I go to Northeast Feet. Me tell you about them. Me tell you about them, my wisdom warriors. Me tell you about Andrew Holness. Is this prime minister a fair prime minister? He is not a fair person. I don't want that man to be my prime minister. He is not a fair person. You can't do stuff like that. You can't do stuff like that. Andrew Holness have no respect whatsoever. Him do as him like. And he don't care about nobody. He only care about himself. And this show that Andrew Holness is a selfish man. Yes, he has to be a selfish man. You can't have a constituency and wait for 1 year waiting for a representative, my wisdom warriors. And you just have Marsha Smith just left 24 hours. 24 hours and then you decide to go spend 30 million. So what happened to Trelawney? You have to deal with that one first. You mustn't do stuff like that. He's not a good man. And I hope you learn from this, Jamaica. I hope you learn from this. More than 40,000 residents are entitled to vote in the polls in 4 electoral divisions. Director of Elections Glasspool Brown said the Electoral Office Jamaica began preparations following Wednesday morning's announcement of the by-election. Listen, Glasspool, just move up. Just move up. About you began preparation following Wednesday morning announcement of the by-election. You too lie, you began preparation for a long time. You too lie, man. Because other day you come out in the paper and me talk about it over here, so. So how you just come out and talk about Wednesday morning and when Andrew Holness announced the by-election, you began preparation. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. From last week, una prepare. Me no know who una try fall, but una see me, my wisdom warriors, me not trust them. Me not trust the EOJ, me tell you no. Because apparently, from the Prime Minister office, all of them are work. Me not trust none of them. And I do not blame Mark Golden. Me not blame Mark Golden. Do not contest in a nothing. He out of order. Andrew Holness not no manners. He not no manners. He too bright and outer than he not no respect for Mark Golden. He not have no respect. Look from when the people them at Trelawney wait. Look from when, my wisdom warriors. For sure no, he all for himself. Me see the little idiot labor right them a talk about how Andrew Holness beat Mark Golden at his own game. Beat what kind of Mark Golden at his own game? Una labor right enough for go away. Una not no damn sense. Eh? You know no sense. Why him not call the general election? At that him fi do. Look from when Mark Golden a wait. At that him fi do. At that him fi do. We want to see that. But him a go take 30 million and waste. Per St. Anne's. 30 million and waste. You know what? My wisdom warriors. The Prime Minister here are some joker Prime Minister. Joker Prime Minister this. And we the Jamaican people are allowed this joker in our House of Parliament. I run him out. We are allowed this man. This man, we're not credible. He's not credible. He's not credible. Come on. Seriously. He don't even sign the code of conduct. This man not sign the code of conduct, Jamaica. Where that a teach you know? Where that a show you know? Talk it truth. Him attack say him have good governance. Him wife attack say them have good governance. How uno fi have good governance and not even code of conduct uno sign? How uno try fall? You wanna uno fi lift up. Me say The whole of uno feel lift up from out the House of Parliament. And just because Jamaican people are joke with uno. You hear me? You think these things can happen in no other else country? And people sit down so? You think these things can happen what Andrew Holness do in a Jamaica? You think that these things can happen in another country and people sit down like that? You Jamaican people don't forget up. Me always tell you, you don't forget up and run out this brother. This brother no mean me well. This man no care about nothing, my wisdom warriors. I'm telling you something. Andrew Holness all a plan for TV election. That is Andrew Holness' aim and objective because he really want to be a president and he not give up. He want to be a president. He want to run Jamaica, control the Jamaican people and have them in a captivity. And on the Jamaican people, on easily forget. You remember all the things that what Andrew Holness do. You too taming, man. Somehow you too blows and skirt taming. You need to get up in all the numbers, man. Look how much money this brother get. Look how much money this brother get. Them are people that fear build up all wall house. The amount of money Andrew Holness get. But Andrew Holness have 30 million figure we sponsor Andrew and account up or PNP for contest. Contest with what? You know go with that. Galango contest on your own self. Galango contest on your own self. We not take part. Come like a fool boy, yeah. I want to take people for no respect for the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness not have. No respect, my wisdom warriors. Jano, wanna tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to put something in the PayPal. May I go pin the PayPal information in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Remember to turn your post notification bell on, so when I drop the video them, you get them straight away. And also, guys, don't forget to become a member of this channel by clicking on join. All right, blessings upon blessings, one love.